Army helicopter. You're going to pass behind that traffic. If I was an air traffic controller in this situation, I'd look at that and go, I'm not sure he's got the right airplane in sight. And if he does, it's getting a little too close for comfort for me. So I'm going to take charge and I'm going to say, helicopter, you need to do this, that, or the other thing. Go left, go right, go backwards, stop right where you are. But I'm not going to let you proceed anymore because I'm not sure that you are on the same page that I'm on. But this guy's being accommodating. Hold on. It's going to develop some more.
Sure, it'd be better if we go above it and in front of it if we can.
Okay, so now he asks him kind of a quasi question. The helicopter says, well, we could go behind him, but we think it'd be better if we went above him and in front of him. Here's what's going to happen if he goes above him and in front of him. I guarantee you the aircraft, the 737, is going to get a TCAS warning because that other aircraft is simply too close. And TCAS is really nervous. It doesn't like anybody getting anywhere near you. So it's going to chirp out and it's going to say traffic, just like that. And this guy's setting this up. He needs to go behind them, but he talks the air traffic controller into his plan. And he talks the air traffic controller out of his plan. Here we go. Roger, he says. Okay, yeah, if you want to do that, go ahead. Too accommodating, in my opinion. Half a mile, he calls out. The tower calls back, says, half a mile, all right? And these guys are at the exact same altitude now. They're both at 2,200 feet. Now, 737's on a glide slope down to the runway. The helicopter now, which was supposed to be at 2,000 feet, is at 2,200 feet, okay? So maybe he's climbing up a little bit. He says, we're going to go above this guy and in front of him, so we'll just deviate off our altitude a little bit to do that. Yeah, there's a little bit of fudge factor in all of this. Watch what happens next. 2,100 feet. They're getting really, really close. There's 100 foot of separation.
We're deviating right for the traffic.
We're deviating right for the traffic. Southwest chimes in and says, you know what? We're not comfortable with this. So at some point, I think Southwest probably got them in sight, but just didn't say so. At a minimum, I think their TCAS went off. Let's see if it did.
Okay, Roger. You like going 6 right? Not negative. We can come back. Yeah, we're going to execute a go around.
Okay.
We got an RA.
We're going to execute a go-around. We got an RA. An RA is required. What's an RA? It's a resolution advisory. So there's 2 levels with the TCAS system, the Traffic Collision Avoidance System. It's calculating back and forth using ADS-B data with that helicopter, saying, hey, you're getting too close, you're getting too close,